How to get Classic Invert on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down and go to the Classic Invert feature. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Now, turn on the Classic Invert feature as shown. Classic Invert reverses the colors of the display. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily get Classic Invert on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.